Today we're making this wonderful bench for the backyard out of pallet wood.
Now the only thing I need for this build is basically a couple of 2x4s, 4 to be precise. What better place to take them than from a pallet? I got a couple of nails to dismantle, no big trouble. Well, maybe several nails. But once I get all those done, my job is done. Now, since I tend to be a model parent, I don't like to sit too many people on the same seat. So I like to cut those 2x4s down to a certain size so they, accommodate me and nobody else. Once I'm done with that, I take the 2x4s and start to insert them in the plastic housing for the seat. Once I'm done with the first side, I insert the other side. Now, since I don't want to hammer the plastic, I tilt it around and then hit the 2x4s on the end so they go into the other plastic part, making, a nice little snug seat. And here it is, all ready for the fireplace.
Solid? Good. Beautiful.
If this thing holds me, it'll hold most people.